Greeting students, welcome in Kataria's English classes. Today I'm present here with the topic tense. Students, today we'll discuss about tense. I think you know very well what is tense, and you have studied the definition of tense. Definition means paribhasha. In Hindi you can say. Students, it's not a typical job to create any definition. You can create, it means create means compose, बनाना. आप कोई भी एक डेफिनेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, but you have to keep in your mind that should be understandable and clear the meaning of that topic. Students, it's very clear. ये तो आपको सुनिश्चित करना है whether जो आपने डेफिनेशन दी है वो डेफिनेशन जो भी टॉपिक यू हैव सेलेक्टेड उसको वो क्लियर करती होनी चाहिए. जैसे हम यहाँ पर टेंस को लेकर आए हैं तो हमने इसका एक डेफिनेशन यहाँ पर दी है. टेंस इज़ द फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब दैट एक्सप्रेसेस टाइम ऑफ एन एक्शन और स्टेटस of an event. If I can explain in Hindi, what is tense? क्या है tense? Tense is the form of verb. क्रिया का एक रूप है, form of verb है. What it does? क्या करती है ये? It expresses the time of an action. Action means कार्य और status of in an event. किसी तथ्य के status को भी ये express करती है. In this way you can say definitely tense क्रिया का ही एक रूप है. Kinds and parts of tense. Students, kinds, what is kinds? कितने प्रकार? How many kinds of tense or tense has? Tense has 3 kinds. I think you know very well. Tense के 3 प्रकार होते हैं, 3 kind होते हैं. Present tense, past tense, future tense. How many parts it has? 12, of course. 12 होते हैं. Present indefinite tense, you can call it simple present tense, present continuous, present progressive tense, इसको आप बुला सकते हैं. Present perfect tense, perfect means perfection lies in this sentence. Present perfect continuous tense, past indefinite tense, you can call it simple past tense, past continuous tense. You can also call it past progressive tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense, future indefinite tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. In this way, we have 12 parts of tense. Students, you can call it, कर सकते हैं आप इसको tenses भी कह के बुला सकते हैं. You can call it tenses. Examples of tenses. It means tenses, parts of tense के हम example यहाँ पर आपको बता रहे हैं. Ram goes to school. Ram goes to school. This one is the example of simple present. Ram is going to school, present progressive, because the work is is in progress. राम स्कूल जा रहा है. जाने की जो उसकी क्रिया है that is continue. Ram has gone to school. Present perfect tense. It means the task has been completed. राम स्कूल जा चुका है. जाने की जो प्रक्रिया है that is completed. Ram has been going to school for last 2 years. राम पिछले 2 वर्ष से स्कूल जा रहा है. It means he had started his task 2 years before, but it continues. पहले शुरू हुआ था काम, अब भी जारी है. Ram went to school. It means Ram went to school in the past. It means we can say Ram used to go school. पहले जाता था, अतीत में. It means past we can say. Ram was going to school. Students, यहाँ पर here you can say Ram was going to school. पहले जा रहा था. It means at that point of time when anyone observed or saw Ram, he was going to school. I can say when I saw Ram, he was going to school. मैंने जब राम को देखा तो वह स्कूल जा रहा था. It means at that time his action was in progress. Ram had gone to school. It means I visited Ram's house or home. At that time Ram had gone to school. It means both actions were completed in the past, but one action completed before the second action. If which has been completed first, we have to use in that sentence past perfect tense. That's why Ram had gone to school. Ram had been going to school for 2 years when I met him. It means at that time when I met him, जब मैं उससे मिला, उस समय राम 2 वर्ष से स्कूल जा रहा था. Yes, student. In this way you can explain. Ram will go to school. Will. It means it shows future. Ram जाएगा. It shows future time. Ram will be going to school. It means if we have some points of particular time, it means 8:30, 8 to 8:30, and students are in the bus. We can say tomorrow at this time Ram will be going to school. इस समय राम स्कूल जा रहा होगा. At this time I'm also imagine what my friends is doing. At this time it's the time of comfort zone. It's the time of rest. My friend will be sleeping now. अब मेरा मित्र सो रहा होगा. Okay, students. Ram will have been next is 11th. Ram will have gone to school till now. अब राम स्कूल जा चुका होगा. अब तक. It means that is the certain point of time. अब तक It means he will have completed his task. What he was not, we can say he was. This is the matter of future. We can say what he wants to do. He wants to do and we can say he wanted to do. वो जो करना चाहता था अब तक उसने यह काम कर लिया होगा. इस प्रकार से हम कह सकते हैं कि राम स्कूल जा चुका होगा. Ram will have been going to school for 2 years when I shall meet him next time or month. अगले महीने तक जब मैं उससे मिलूँगा तो उस समय राम 2 वर्ष से स्कूल जा रहा होगा. Okay students, I think this video will help you a lot. Thanks. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, bye.